Hey everybody, could you call me on my cat's cell phone? Cause I'm trying to find a minister that would marry a kitten. Cause there's this girl, I've been dating her and seeing her around, walking around town. But unfortunately she saw me in my litter box. I was quite embarrassed. Anyway, her name is Linda, and I want to get married, but I can't find a minister to marry a kitten. Cause I'm smitten like a kitten. Yeehaw! Man. Marky B, we love you, buddy. My name's Gideon Kitty, and I like talking to y'all in this group. Anyway, I gotta go find me some Purina cat chow. Chow, chow, chow. Oh boy. Well, I'm gonna go. Now, I got a kitty cell phone. Just call me on my cell phone and let me know where we could get married. Because once again, I'm gonna tell you again. I am smitten like a kitten for Linda. I wanna win you. She is so fine. Her cooking is good. She made me some macaroni and some kitty food one time. It was so good. Anyway, I'm smitten like a kitten, that's right. Give me a call. You can call me or text me on my kitty phone. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Purina cat chow. Chow, chow, chow. Yeehaw.